Elevate your learning journey with renewable energy. We're excited to introduce you to Green's Sunshine Student Kit. Let's explore how this kit can make a difference in your academic journey. Green Study Kit comes with a study light and fan to brighten your study sessions while staying cool. With the kit, you get to have a smooth writing and note-taking experience with a digital writing tablet ever. Tired of studying in a dim, boring environment? Enjoy ambience LED lights, creating the perfect study environment anytime, anywhere. To stay on schedule with smart time management, the kit has got you covered with its rechargeable digital alarm clock. Additionally, with the system, you can seamlessly charge your devices and enjoy battery backup advantages. Experiencing unreliable electricity challenges? Green Study Kit helps you harness clean energy for uninterrupted learning. Let's delve into the key benefits of this innovative kit. Green Study Kit offers reliable lighting for extended study hours, improves performance, and increases productivity with more study hours, motivates students and boosts literacy rates. Ultimately, the kit is not just an educational resource, it also promotes sustainability and environmental responsibility. At Green, we ignite potential, drive progress, and transform lives. Let's work together for a smarter, greener tomorrow.